Matagal-tagal na din simula nung huli kami nag-travel. Naging busy na ang buhay, madaming trabaho, responsibilidad at kung ano-ano pa. Pero ngayon, sa wakas, nagkaroon ulit kami ng pagkakataon. Birthday niya, February. Napunta kami ng Davao. Tara guys, tingnan niyo kung gaano kaganda ang Davao. Sorry, airport check muna.
I've been trying to listen while you motivate me, cause all the other times, babe, you drive me crazy. You know I wanna see you in that new Mercedes. You know I wanna hear it when you say you made it. I can't even lie, babe, you're one-on-one. I can't even lie, look how far you come. You're shitting on them bitches that was making fun. You're shitting on them bitches cause you get it done. I ain't gotta tell you cause you know what's up. I ain't gotta tell you cause they know it's us. Yeah, I've been trying to tell you there's no one I trust. Babe, you know I listen when you make a fuss. Babe, you know I listen to you.
Guys, dito kami ngayon sa
I need things, I need action, I need time, I need love, I need patience, I need trust. Just tell me what you need, baby. Just tell me what you need, baby.
Dito na yung sa security. Ilalabas na lang.
Pagpasok yan.
Yata itong
Trying to get you to communicate. Baby, you know I'm flying on this interstate. Baby, when I give it to you, can you take it? You know that's how you give me this motivation. I've been trying to do more than just maintain. You know all this pressure that this pain makes, and I've been trying to get you on the same page. You know we doing better on the same thing. You call me and you say you need it right now. Yeah, babe, I'm on the way, so just pipe down. I don't wanna hear you fuss. I don't wanna hear you fuss. New G-Wag, new Maybach. I need things, I need action, I need time, I need love, I need patience, I need trust. Just tell me what you need, baby. Just tell me what you need, baby. Just tell me what you need, baby. Just tell me what you need, baby.
So we're going outside because we need to buy some essentials.
wow, essentials. Wala kami payo. As a local. So yung day one namin, natulog lang kami at nagpahinga. At syempre nagsimba since Sunday kami dumating ng maaga. So ngayon is officially our day 2. Kikitain muna namin companion ni Love Love ng aking asawa para makapagkwentuhan, kamustahan at syempre kumain na din dahil tanghali na kami nagising ng araw na to. Tara!
Gonna go except for my mind. Can't ever say the things you let go. I think you're breathing and everyone can see. I see the faces, ain't got nothing on me. Why do you play it? Yeah, your time ain't free. You're always saying it depends on me. I don't think you see the question. Sentimental feelings.
So, dahil wala pa kaming plano sa araw na to, nag-decide muna kami magpalamig kasi sobrang init. Kaya napunta kami sa SM Lanang. Ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na mag-commute sa isang lugar na first time mong puntahan. Hindi man siya ibang bansa pero ang saya kasi iba yung dialect, iba yung galaw ng mga tao. Kaya, ayun, Tinuloy na rin namin yung bitin na usapan habang may kasamang malamig na inumin. Tara, day 3 na namin. Isa to sa mga paboritong araw kasi nag-island hopping kami. First time ko mag-snorkeling. Natakot kasi talaga ako kasi hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Pero ngayon, ang saya lang. Finally, na-experience ko na rin siya. Sobrang ganda ng dagat. Ang ganda pagmasdan ng mga corals. And yung asawa ko, dahil adventurer siya, nag 30 feet cliff diving lang naman siya. Isa talaga to sa mga moments na mapapa-appreciate ka kung gaano kaganda yung mga isla sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, naglakad-lakad kami. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang mag-try ng mga first time lang nakainin. First time ko matikman yung durian, sadly. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan, pero sabi nila mas masarap daw pag malamig. So baka next time, bigyan ko ulit ng chance. Syempre, di rin mawawala yung street food. At yung mga cute na doggy na to. Tara, gala pa tayo sa day 4. Ito yung araw na masasabi kong pagod kami, but in the best way possible. Parang mission mode kami buong araw. Umikot sa city, pero bawat stop, worth it. Unang stop namin, Longwa Temple. Tahimik, sobrang peaceful, parang biglang slow mo yung mundo. May nakausap pa kaming student doon and habang naglalakad-lakad kami, ramdam mo talaga yung calm. Pero tipong kahit libre lang pumasok, automatic, gusto mong irespeto yung lugar. Ang ganda. Next, ibang vibe naman. D-Bone Collector Museum. Imagine, isang banyaga lang na may idea. Tapos ngayon, may sarili na siyang gallery ng mga buto ng hayop. Actually, hindi lang ng hayop. At hindi lang basta-basta buto. Sobrang lalaki nila. Grabe may ganito pala talaga sa mundo. Sobrang informative, parang nag-time travel ka sa wildlife history. Then, we slowed things down sa Jack's Ridge. Grabe yung view dun. Parang reward after a long day. Tahimik, presko, tapos ramdam mo yung beauty ng Davao kasi nakikita mo yung buong city. Habang nakatingin ka sa nature and island ng Samal Island. Of course, we had to visit the Davao Philippines Temple. Hindi pa siya open pero kahit from the outside, sobrang worth it. Iba yung feeling. Pero hindi pa tapos. We went straight sa Japanese tunnel. Medyo creepy, not gonna lie. But super interesting. Dito mo ma-realize kung gaano ka-deep yung history ng lugar. Si Lablab, gusto niya ng history. And honestly, naawa na rin ako. After that, nag-drive kami along the coastal road. Perfect for road trips. Actually, pwede din mag-walking doon sa side and late night talks or kahit chill vibe lang with the people you love. Ang sarap lang huminga at i-enjoy yung moment. And plot twist pala. Nag-try pa kami maghanap ng cafe pero napunta kami sa sobrang masukal na lugar. 30 minutes kami nagda-drive, walang tao. Sobrang creepy na. Akala namin kung ano na mangyayari. So, bumalik kami. 1 AM na kami nakauwi. Pagod, oo. So, worth it ba ang Davao trip namin so far? Definitely yes. Day 5 in Davao and punta na kami ng Samal. Doon kami for 4 days. And mabilis lang ang biyahe, 10 to 15 minutes. Tatawid lang ng Davao City to Samal Island. Magbabarge for 20 pesos per person. If may dala ng sasakyan, hindi namin sure kung magkano yung rate pero hindi naman siya kamahalan. And magre-relax muna for day 5. Let's go!
Make it plain as day. We're running out of space. Running out of places to run to, but I know that I want you. So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Forever is never enough, babe. And we already started late. And if we leave it up to fate, tell me how long will we have to wait for an answer? Right or wrong. But I don't have no questions to ask. You don't wanna ruin your chance. No.
Day 6 na ng bakasyon namin. So, ngayon, kami ay lilibot sa Samal Island. Ang target talaga namin puntahan is yung Hagimit Falls. Pero may nadaanan kaming falls malapit sa tinutuluyan namin. So, from Kalipay sa Baybay, papunta ng Hagimit, like more than 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. So, nadaanan namin yung Magungawan Falls. Walang tao kasi hindi siya established. Although, pag weekend, may mga pumupunta daw. Pinupuntahan yung falls. Medyo nakakatakot pa siya. As in, bababa ka muna. And then, tsaka mo makikita yung falls. Sobrang creepy. Sobrang nakakatakot yung pagkalalim niya. Kasi nga, hindi pa like maayos yung hagdanan. Ginawa lang ng mga tao yung hagdanan. Pero, sinilip na rin namin. Pero pag nakita mo yung falls, always breathtaking talaga yung mga falls. Maganda pa rin siya. Then after nun, tsaka kami nagpunta ng Hagimit. Kaya, tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kaganda yung island.
Every day, it'd be my pleasure to keep learning you.
And then, papakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung Hagimit. Let's go!
There's not enough time in a lifetime. So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. The rest of my lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you?
Ngayong araw, nagdesisyon kami na i-enjoy yung lugar at i-celebrate na rin yung birthday niya.
So, nanamid diri. Kaya na siya surprise. Yung surprise. Kana. Happy birthday. Happy Valentine's Day. This is my gift for you. Hope for you. Half empty.
Love, happy birthday!
Game, game. Ito na.
Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo.
At ganun-ganun lang, natapos na ang aming day 7. Ngayon day 8 na, uuwi na kami, mag-i-empake. Pero syempre, in-enjoy muna namin yung araw. Tara guys!
Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bullet. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I'll let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Teach down to me, baby, like a weapon you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo.
Curry ka?
Dali po doon, please! Please! Pagpagutin ako!
Kagating ka sa... Abot mo na yan.
Hindi!
Abot mo na yan.
Hindi! Coral lang na ano!
Abot mo na nga. Ano ka ba? Abot mo na yan. Abot mo na yan. Bye. Okay lang yan.
O diba, may habol pa na comedy. Pero yon, bumiyahe na kami pabalik ng Davao.
Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh, oh, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
Kadong.
Sa minsa to nga sa dalan. Kaya nagguba ang motor.
Always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh,
Ang masasabi ko lang is nag-enjoy kami and worth it yung experience namin sa Davao. So, kung plano nyo pumunta ng Davao, maganda sa Davao, malinis. Especially sa Samal Island, maraming magagandang beaches. May enjoy nyo siya. And mas magandang mag-DIY din, actually, para nagagawa nyo yung gusto nyong gawin sa entire visit nyo. See you sa susunod naming travel!
oh, tattoo.